2021 Kawasaki ZH2 SE First Look. Kawasaki's flagship model of the Z line of naked motorcycles just got better as the 2021 ZH2 SE adds a smoother ride and more stopping power to the already innovative ZH2 package, while retaining the ultimate combination of outright power and controllability. The new 2021 Kawasaki ZH2 SE comes equipped with Kawasaki Electronic Control Suspension, KEX. The new electronic suspension also features Showa's Skyhook technology, delivering a smoother ride, which contributes to increased comfort and enjoyment. Complementing the high-tech suspension are premium Brembo front brake components, which add to even greater stopping power and control. Suspension. The 2021 ZH2 SE features KEX, Kawasaki's semi-active electronic suspension system, which adapts to road and riding conditions in real time, providing the ideal amount of damping by combining high-level mechanical components with the latest electronic control technology. KEX balances suppleness for daily commuting with firm damping to facilitate more sporty riding. Showa's Skyhook EIA, electronically equipped ride adjustment technology offers an even more composed ride. Damping is adjusted electronically to suit vehicle speed and suspension stroke speed. Deceleration is also taken into account, allowing the pitching that occurs under braking to be managed. Showa's Skyhook software was carefully fine-tuned by Kawasaki engineers to ensure the ZH2 SE's sporty riding character remained, delivering a smoother ride as it continually adapts to the road surface in real time. The Skyhook concept imagines a hook supporting the motorcycle's sprung weight and modulates the suspension's damping force to allow the wheels to track the dips and bumps encountered while maintaining the motorcycle's vertical position with minimal disturbance. In rain mode, the Skyhook software reduces pitching, steering remains light, and the machine feels more planted by also taking into account vertical acceleration and pitch rate, each confirmed every 10 ms, when determining the damping force required. The mechanical components are controlled via a solenoid valve with direct, single-stage, actuation. This results in a rapid reaction time of 1 millisecond, which is much quicker than systems that rely on step motors or those that use pilot valves, two-stage actuation, which slow the system's responsiveness. The quick reaction time gives the KEX system a more natural feeling and is ideal for sport riding applications, where real-time reaction to bumps and gaps in the road surface enable superior riding comfort. Brakes and wheels. Also new on the ZH2 SE is a premium spec Brembo front brake package which includes Stylmer monoblock calipers and a Brembo front master cylinder and steel braided lines, offering stronger braking performance and enhanced control. The Stylmer calipers are lighter, with smaller external dimensions and have less volume around the pistons and brake pads, enabling a more direct response. The Stylmer calipers also cool rapidly, thanks to increased airflow around the brake pads, pistons and an opening that allows air to exit from the central bridge.